Hello, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today I show you an important trick. You have disassembled a carburetor and now you want to reassemble it. You want to put the diaphragm up here, back into the groove, and you notice that it is much too small to reassemble it. The diaphragm has been outside for a while and has tried out. This has made it smaller. We loosen the diaphragm from the slider. Please pull it downward so it can be loosened more easily. Now we take a glass with gasoline and put the diaphragm in it for 2 or 3 hours. Then the diaphragm swells up again and can be mounted more easily. The diaphragm has now been in the gasoline for 3 hours. I let them now briefly drip off. You can already see that they have become a little more elastic. That the diaphragm here is so dented is because it has probably dried out several times. This is a sign that it was also longer in use. Now the diaphragm can be mounted on the slider again. Please mount from below and please do it carefully. Now check if it fits properly on all sides. Look, it fits perfectly. The diaphragm is no longer too small, rather a little bit big as you can see here. It now fits perfectly. If it is too big for you, don't worry, just wait a few minutes and it will fit perfectly. Now you can finish your assembly and can assemble the carburetor properly. And like I've said before, if you're going to go through the whole trouble of taking one of these carbs apart, you might as well go ahead and get some of these parts replaced and make sure that the carburetor lasts for as long as possible before its next cleaning. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.